Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're sharing a simple and effective recipe for a DIY immunity-boosting elixir. It's easy to make and packed with health benefits. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Hey everyone, if you're looking to give your immune system a boost, you're in the right place. Today we'll show you how to make a powerful, immunity-boosting elixir using ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need fresh ginger, turmeric, lemon, honey, and black pepper. Ginger and turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties, lemon is packed with vitamin C, honey has antimicrobial benefits, and black pepper helps with the absorption of turmeric. First, peel and grate about an inch of fresh ginger and turmeric each. Be careful with turmeric as it can stain. You might want to use gloves. Next, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a glass jar or bottle. Add the grated ginger and turmeric, a tablespoon of honey, and a pinch of black pepper. Fill the jar with hot water and mix well until the honey is dissolved and everything is well combined. Alright, let's move on to straining and storing our elixir. First, strain the mixture into another jar to remove the pulp. This will give you a smooth and refreshing drink. You can store this elixir in the fridge for up to a week. Just give it a good shake before drinking. And there you have it. Scene 6. How to drink a small glass of this elixir every morning on an empty stomach to maximize its benefits. It's a refreshing and energizing way to start your day. Scene 7. Health benefits. This elixir helps boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your body healthy. Scene 8. Tips and variations. For an extra kick, you can add a pinch of cayenne pepper or some fresh mint leaves for a refreshing twist. Feel free to adjust the sweetness by adding more or less honey according to your taste. Scene 9. Closing scene. Call to action. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy making and drinking this immunity-boosting elixir. Let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. See you next time.